Wrong glove. What it's like to be an autistic child in a normie world, or an autistic adult for that matter. Have you ever tried to find a left-handed baseball glove in a world where everyone else, it seems, is right-handed? I'm left-handed, so finding a left-handed baseball glove is difficult. This is kind of the same with autism. Most social interactions for an autistic person are looking for a left-handed glove in a right-handed world. While everybody else is freely exchanging right-handed gloves, we stand apart because we need a left-handed glove and one is not available. One that works for me is not available. But if the roles were reversed and everyone was left-handed, then there would be an abundance of left-handed gloves and only a few right-handed gloves. Just as in an autistic world, autistics would get along fabulously, but we don't live in that world. Unfortunately, we cannot change the world all at once. Hopefully, we will get to the place where there is more acceptance. But in the meantime, we have to get over it. We have to go buy our own glove, and then we have to play our own game. No one is the same. We are unique. But we can still play a game called independence that we can win at. And we can become an independent autistic, a life full of purpose, meaning, and success. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and check the link below for more information. This is the Independent Autistic reminding you, you were born different to make a difference.